Okay, Cole, we're playing this new video game called the Fidget Game.
Yeah.
Who are the characters? Big Omugus number 1. Bum 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 bum. Big Omugus number 2. Bum 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 bum. Little Omugus. Bum 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 bum. Dinosaur puppet. Roar!
AKA. No, I'm just kidding. I know who it is, but I'm not going to say it.
Okay. Blue pop tube. Pink pop tube. Yellow pop tube. And Bobbit fidget spinner. Okay, who should we choose, Colt?
I'm choosing the Poppet fidget spinner.
Okay.
So look out.
That's good. I choose Big Omugu's character. Okay, you ready to start this, Colt?
Yes, I'm ready.
Whoa, 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 where's my contender?
Oh, yeah? You want a battle? Because I got spin speed.
I'm an imposter. Oh.
How is it like to be giant?
Great. And guess what? I got a wiener.
Oh, yeah. I broke the wiener, haha.
Like I can fix it.
Spinner attack.
I got hands on you. Guess
Get
what?
off me!
Ah! Ha! You thought, buddy.
I mean, I still took damage on you.
We're both at 1 HP. What should we do? Wiener powers.
You missed.
Ah!
You both lose.
Come on.
Come on.
Why is there ties in this game?
Yeah.
You know what? This is scuffed. Let's play a different game.